Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to hide a specific folder from the other user. This method is used to increase your security and hide your data from other user. To hide a specific folder consists 4 steps. Critically, I will do these 4 steps. So I want to hide this one folder from the other user. Right click on the folder, go to property, click on the journal and tick into the hidden box and click on the apply button and click on the OK button and again click on the OK button. So you can see that a specific folder become disappear from the other user. If you have any question about the hiding a specific folder from the other user, write your question in comments box. Thanks for watching.